Welcome to this in-depth audio review of the Motorola Moto G Power 2026. A budget-friendly powerhouse that prioritizes endurance, practical features, and everyday reliability for users who need a tough phone that lasts without breaking the bank. Design and build quality. The Moto G Power 2026 boasts a distinctive and durable design, measuring 166.6 by 77.1 by 8.7 millimeters, with a reassuring weight of 208 grams that feels substantial yet comfortable in hand. Its glass front protected by Gorilla Glass 7 eye pairs with a unique silicone polymer, back mimicking a woven eco-leather texture. Rubbery, coarse, and convincingly fabric-like for a premium tactile experience without durability compromises. A plastic frame rounds out the build, but what really shines is its rugged certification. IP68 and IP69 ratings make it dust-tight, resistant to high-pressure water jets, and immersible up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, while MILSTD 810H compliance ensures it withstands drops, vibrations, and extreme conditions. It supports a nano SIM plus eSIM for flexible connectivity and rare gems like a dedicated microSD XC slot and a 3.5mm headphone jack on the bottom edge. Alongside the USB Type-C port and bottom firing speaker, cater to practical users who value expandability and wired audio. Display experience. Up front, the Moto G Power 2026 delivers a large 6.8-inch IPS LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering smooth scrolling, responsive animations, and fluid gaming on its 1080 by 2000 388 pixel resolution at about 387 pixels per inch for sharp text, vibrant icons, and detailed media. Covering roughly 86.3% screen-to-body ratio, it hits 1000 nits high brightness mode for solid visibility in sunlight, protected by tough Gorilla Glass 7 eye against scratches and daily wear. While not AMOLED, the panel handles colors well for videos, browsing, and apps, making it a reliable workhorse for extended sessions without eye strain. Hardware and performance running pure Android 16 out of the box, the Moto G Power 2026 promises a clean, bloatware-free experience with reliable updates for the budget segment. At its core sits the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset on a 6nm process, featuring an octa-core CPU with 2 Cortex-A76 performance cores up to 2.4 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 efficiency cores at 2.0 GHz, paired with a Mali G57MC 2G GPU for capable handling of everyday tasks, light multitasking, and casual gaming at moderate settings. It's not a flagship performer, but efficient thermals and balanced power keep things smooth without excessive heat during prolonged use. Memory and storage and multitasking come via 128 GB of UFS 2.2 internal space with 8 GB of RAM, ensuring quick app launches and decent juggling of tabs or apps. A standout feature is the dedicated microSD XC card slot, letting you expand storage freely for photos, videos, and media without sacrificing SIM flexibility. Perfect for users hoarding files or offline content. Camera system. The rear dual camera setup leads with a 50-megapixel main-wide lens at f1.8, using a 1/2.88-inch sensor with 0.61 micron pixels, phase detection autofocus, and optical image stabilization for steady shots in motion or low light, enhanced by LED flash, HDR, and panorama modes. Joining it is an 8-megapixel ultrawide with f2.2 aperture, 119-degree field of view at 13 millimeters, and its own autofocus for expansive landscapes or group photos. Video records up to 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second from the rear. On the front, a 32-megapixel wide selfie camera with f2.5 aperture captures detailed portraits and supports 1080p video at 30 frames per second. Solid for social media, calls, and casual snaps without flagship pretensions. Sound and multimedia audio enthusiasts will appreciate the stereo speakers tuned with Dolby Atmos, creating an immersive soundstage for movies, music, and games with the forward-facing earpiece speaker complementing the bottom-firing one. The retained 3.5mm jack pairs perfectly with wired headphones, and support for 24-bit 192 kHz high-res audio elevates streaming quality on compatible services, making multimedia a highlight in this budget contender. Connectivity and extras. Connectivity covers 5G for fast data, dual-band Wi-Fi 802 2.11, A/B/G/N/AC, Bluetooth for seamless accessory pairing, NFC for contactless payments, FM radio for tuning in anywhere, and robust positioning with GPS, Galileo, and GLONASS. USB Type-C 2.0 handles file transfers and OTG peripherals, while extras like an infrared port are absent, keeping focus on essentials. A side-mounted fingerprint reader unlocks swiftly, backed by accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, compass, and barometer sensors for full motion and environmental awareness. Battery and charging. True to its power name, a 5,200 mAh battery powers through full days of mixed use from streaming to navigation, with smart efficiency extending lighter days even further. Charging options include 30-watt wired for quick top-ups and convenient 15-watt wireless charging, a rarity in budget phones letting you drop it on a pad without cables. Overall, the Moto G Power 2026 stands out as a resilient budget smartphone for practical users seeking IP68 toughness, expandable storage, a headphone jack, wireless charging, and dependable battery life in a stylish eco-leather design, delivering core features without unnecessary frills.